In this video, we're going to look at one way to be able to take any link and provide it in Google Classroom. Note, by copying a link inside of ThinkCentral and pasting it into a Google Classroom assignment, you as the teacher will not be able to see the results because it is not being assigned directly through ThinkCentral. Okay, first thing is to be able to come to your dashboard. In this video, we'll look at assigning a chapter test. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my grade level that I desire. For this example, we'll look at 3rd grade. And then you're going to want to come to the tile where it says Go Math Personal Math Trainer. There are different ways to access assignments. For this purpose, we'll look at course-based assignments. I'm going to select any chapter that I want. We'll take a look at chapter 1. And then I'm going to scroll down. Note, these are all of the assignments available for chapter 1. I'm looking at the post-test in this particular example. There are 3 different versions of tests. You have the pre-test and the post-test. When you see in the parentheses that say homework, note that that'll provide some assistance in the form of show an example, in the form of additional things that kids might need. When it says tests and quizzes, that removes all of the assistance and helps. If you want to be able to copy the link, go ahead and click on the assignment itself. And then come up to the top where you see the URL or the web address. I'm going to double click and then copy that entire URL. And then I'm going to go to the Google Classroom assignment that I want to provide to my classroom. Here is an example, and all I'm going to do is paste that entire web address. And I've just given my students or families access to this assignment. Again, note, because this is a link, it will directly take the students to the assignment. However, as a teacher, you will not be able to see their progress because it has not been assigned directly through ThinkCentral. Thank you.